So this page is my 18 page. In this page, what I am use is here. See, this is the contain row type. So in contain row type, we have the options to show the button is here. Like this one, this one, this one, this one. We have already almost got types of time. So what is this here? This is the I am using when I created a new page, and you have to be using such page also withdraw workflow console media list tray. So this content row. So I am using the content row uh, to created the this type of interfaces here, and so we are going to again is here and view more button, and I passing the move. Also I am using the fetches search, and fetches search we are creating the share components, and list and navigations such compilation is here. So you have to be created the fetches search also is here, and whatever you creating the, but right now I am using the fetches search and search type, and this is the my uh, search list, and label of the search. So I got the simple easily we so this is the my whole blog sites, and I created some tables is here which is coming to all data, like now we are going to be admin part. Okay, so this is the admin part, and this is my blog table. See, I am putting data like this is here, right? This is a form URL, category ID something, and sort descriptions, and I am writing this type of code is here with HTML and CSS. So table got the whole code in the HTML CSS, but we are showing like this type. So these are the first changes to the applications, and now we are going to be OCR and table solution. Um, okay, so this section will be discussed another. Um, Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. For now, class is over to design and other things, and we will connect OCR and other things on the another class too. Okay.
Ma'am, to have a doubt, how we get the session recording in the
Rupa, I did not clear, hear to clear you.
I'm asking how we get the session recording in
Also, I not clear the same part. You can write in the text, right? And any other have some questions?
Ma'am, I'm
Rupa, we cannot hear. Anyone can hear to Rupa?
No,
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
But we try to hear you, but we uh, not able to hear you. Right. So,
Okay.
we are connect to the OCR in the another class. I share in the my LinkedIn page. So I explain the dynamic tables, invoice solutions, and OCR solution too. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, can you take this session recording?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you
I will
please?
send you. I will send you recording. Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.